guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I wanted to show you this. This is a brand new one. This is my old one. And all this time I'm thinking it's my property that's shifting. No, it's this thing. It's not even, okay, now it's fine because it's not, yeah, it's not, look at that. So sometimes it's the level. So if I want to keep this level, which maybe I won't, I'm gonna have to glue it or something because this is dead on and this has been moving around. So just be aware of that. So I've got some glue here. I'm gonna take care of that another time. But yeah, it's perfectly fine. All this time, oh my gosh. Oh well, now I know. All right, we're gonna do a shadow pearl pour. I am going to put down the base coat, then the colors, and then another base coat. This is an 18 by 24. It is not gallery wrapped. I'm going to be using these a lot because I have a lot of them. So I'm going to put the base coat down. And there we go. Nice light coat, and then make sure you have enough of it off. I'm going to get my corners. I did prep my canvas. I can use that. It's not going to matter too much because this is the bottom coat. Now you can do it this way. You can do it. I have put down the colors first. And I'm going to go back to this where I sandwich it in between. Yeah, there's plenty there to take care of that. There we go. And I'm just gonna, oops. What's there? Okay. Getting so excited. All right. All right, so I'm gonna put down some colors. Oops, got a little guy in there already. Actually, first I'm going to all right, so I'm just gonna put them all over. This is oyster and iridescent pearl. And what's next? I'm gonna put this down. No particular way. And then that was I'm sorry, quinacridone nickel's of gold, and it's mixed with Amsterdam copper. No, Amsterdam bronze, which looks like copper. This is this is TLP caramel drizzle. This is TLP Supernova. Okay, and this is oh, wait a minute, I forgot. This is Permanent Violet Red from Amsterdam. And this is a combination of Constellation and Supernova, and I put just a dab of Liquitex Basics in Dioxazine Purple. This one is an opaque, so it kind of helps with the pearls. I'm saving some back, and the reason why is sometimes I put the colors over top as well. So I'm going to tilt this out. Ooh, this is gonna be scrumptious. I'm trying to get enough paint off of here, but it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna be pouring another layer over top of it. So I could just leave it like that and let it curl up. See, it's purling up already, which I might do someday soon. But oh gosh, it is so pretty, all of these, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pour it over again. People are like, oh no, don't do that. But you'll see what happens. And over to this corner. Shadow pour. Now we want to make sure we don't take too much off because I'm going to be blowing this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I haven't done it like this in a while. I've just been putting the colors down. Oh boy, here we go. And now I'm going to get my blow dryer out, blow it out, and then I might put a few more colors over top because I did not use, oh, I've got Brûlée too. Where is it? Here it is. I have Brûlée, and I don't like to put it down with these colors because I don't want it to get lost in the pearl mix. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Alrighty. Okay, got the Brûlée, it's coming out. We're gonna do high, cool fan. So I like this, but I want more color. So I am going to put down and the permanent, that was the quinacridone, permanent violet red. And the purple. I know I was trying to keep that one spot, but there was too much paint on it. I had to blow it off, unfortunately. Okay, and then we're going to come in with some of the Brûlée. Now I might blow this with my mouth instead. How it's all starting to come up. Oh my. Somebody had mentioned in a previous video I did that I didn't have, she preferred more pearls, and this is how you get it, by sandwiching it between. So, all right, I'm going to put you on time lapse. And we'll see how it develops. Oh, I like it. I really do. And I like that it's got some softness here. All right, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am so happy with this. No, it's stormy. Actually, I'm in between squalls, so it might come back again, but yeah, it's been a little wet out here today, but look at that. Oh my goodness. And how the colors blend. This technique is one of the easiest I've ever done. I'm going to be teaching it at the Fluid Art Boutique, October 8th, 9th, and 10th. I think there's only one class though. I'll put it up on the screen. And I get excellent results every time. Oh, so pretty. There's the Constellation mixed with Supernova. Just love this color combination. And quinacridone Nickel Gold does magic. It's just magical. So anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. Go on fluidartboutique.com to sign up for any classes. There's still $20 off until October 5th. Bye now.